Hi everybody, this is Hector from Modular, and in this video we are going to talk about modular backups, how they work, how to create them, and how to use them. So first thing, right here in my dashboard I have two websites added, and I'm going to go to this one where I don't have any configuration set for my backups. So I can just come from this widget in the overview of my websites, and I'm going to go to the settings of my backups. So first thing I can decide is what do I want to include on my backups. If I want to do a full backup, like in this case, or maybe if I only want to do a database backup, or if I want to maybe exclude some files or folders specifically. So I can come here and maybe say, okay, I don't want the WP content folder to be on my backups, so I can just save it and it won't be on the backups. Okay, same with database tables. Then, probably the most important thing, I can decide how often I want my backups to be made. I can choose daily, weekly, or monthly, and depending on the choice, I can decide when do they start. If, for example, monthly, the first day of the month, or daily, uh, my bad, daily, every day, or weekly on Monday, for example. And then the hour. Important to say the time zone is decided by your web browser, okay? And then depending on the recurrence, I can select here for how long I wanna keep those backups stored in modular in the cloud, okay? I'm gonna set here, for example, 2 weeks. And then finally, I have some expert configuration options. Okay, this is meant only for people that know what this means. Okay, but basically is, for example, when the backup fails, maybe because of some server configuration or specifications, and here you can tweak this to try to make it work. If you have doubts about this, you can always send us an email or ask us, okay, and we'll help you with it. Okay, so once I have everything set as I want, I can just save it and schedule, and what will happen is that the first backup will be made right now, okay, just to test if backups are going to work on this website. So I'm going to go to a different website where I already have my backups working, okay. So you can see here how they show the last two backups that were made. I'm gonna go here, and once you go into the backup section, you're gonna see a list of your backups. Okay, they're gonna be separated in manual backups and automatic backups, because with our pro plans, you can create a backup at any time. For example, here in this button, okay, for example, before doing an update or changing something on the website, and here in the backups, you can just go into a backup and you will see the information of that backup. You will be able to download the backup or download any of the parts of the backup, for example, only the database or only the WordPress files. And soon you will be able to restore the backup from here very easily. Okay, right now you can download it and restore it manually. And another option we have is what we call the master backups, okay? Because we have seen before that backups are stored for a certain amount of time, but if you want, for example, a specific backup in a website to be stored forever in the cloud, because there is a big change after that backup was made, for example, you can mark it as a master backup. Okay, I'm gonna disable it right now. Okay, but I'm gonna add it. Okay, and that way this backup won't ever be deleted from my website. Okay, you can only do this 3 times per website with our pro plans. Okay, and finally, another important thing is the storage. Okay, you have to see that with your pro plan in modular, you have different storage options. You can always add more storage if you want, and important to say that the storage is shared between all your websites in your account. Okay, and finally, like I said before, when you have your backups configuration set and there are backups made, you can see them here in this widget. And also, if you go to the main dashboard in the list view, you're going to see how your backups are set for that website. If they are daily, weekly, monthly, when was the last backup, the next backup, and it will also show if the backup has an error, so you know that backup wasn't made, the last backup wasn't made. Okay, so This is it for modular backups. Important to say at last that these backups are stored in the cloud, okay, in European servers to comply with the RGPD legislation. And if you have any other questions about how backups work or what to do with them, you can send us an email or open a chat with us, and we'll be happy to help. So until next video, bye.